Hey guys, this is a 36-inch Evergo spinner ceiling fan from May of 1989. About a month ago, I was riding my bicycle and I found this fan sitting at the curb. And since Evergo ceiling fans are very uncommon these days, especially due to them looking outdated, I could not pass this opportunity. So I picked it up and I carried it home on my bicycle. And since this fan is from 1989, this one is probably one of the last Evergo ceiling fans ever made, since Evergo stopped making ceiling fans in the late 80s. And I'm guessing they stopped making ceiling fans after 89 ended. And I also have an Evergo Roma on the other side of the room, which is right there. That's an Evergo Roma from the mid-80s. And this fan came 100% complete, except it was missing a couple of screws. The canopy screws were missing when I got it, so I dug around through spare screws and I put 2 screws in there that fit. And also, one of the blade screws are missing on this blade right here. And on this blade bracket, the middle screw is missing. Here's a closer look. The fan is in white and brass finish. And the blades are non-reversible, same color on both sides. All right, now I will demonstrate it for you, starting off with the light. And now for low. Here's medium. And here's high. Alright, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.